everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about the expressions with to be. As you remember, I talked about different tense forms of to be in my previous video. It has a different tense forms. In the present simple, we say am, is, are. In the past simple, we say was, were. In the future simple, we say shall be, will be. In the present perfect, we say has been, have been. In the past perfect, we say had been. You'll learn most used expressions with to be and more examples. Let's begin with the first one. To be full of with. The bus was full of with people. It was crowded. I couldn't find a place to sit on. To be surprised with. It means to be astonished. I was surprised with the news. I couldn't believe my ears. To be responsible for. I am responsible for these children. I have to take care of them. To be in debt. She is in debt. She has borrowed a lot of money and she can't pay her debt. To be famous for or to be popular with. She is popular with her books. This country is famous for its industry. To be grateful to be obliged to be thankful to. I am very grateful to you for your help. To be in need of. She is in need of money. We should give her some. To be in. To be in. It means to be at home. Hello, can I talk to Mr. John? Is he in? Sorry, he's not at home. He's out. To be in order. The opposite is out of order. My watch is out of order. I wanna have it repaired. To be keen on. It means to wish. I am keen on working for your company. I wish it. To be good at. The opposite is to be bad at. I am good at cooking. I do it very well. To be different from. You are different from everyone I know. You are special. To be absent from. The opposite is to be present. She was absent from the conference. She didn't take part in the conference. And we can say she was present at the conference. She took part in the conference. To be happy with. I am very happy with your coming. I am very glad. To be pleased with or to be satisfied with. My teacher was satisfied with my answer. I am pleased with you. You helped me a lot. To be fed up with or to be bored with. I am fed up with my job. It's very difficult. I have to find a new one. To be impressed with. It means to be affected. I was impressed with the news. To be disappointed with. It means to be sad. I was disappointed with the news. When I heard that she was in the hospital, I was very upset. To be mad of. He is mad of her. He loves her very much. To be short of money. I am short of money. Could you lend me some? To be aware of. It means to know. I am aware of his coming. Are you aware of his coming? Do you know that he is coming? To be kind of. It's kind of you to help me. We can also say to be cruel of. It's cruel of you to behave me so badly. To be under repair. My car is under repair. Last week it was broken. To be wrong with. What's wrong with you? It means what's happened to you. We can also say, what's the matter with you? To be up. It means to finish. The time was up. We can also say to be over. The time was over. To be in a hurry. I am in a hurry as I don't want to be late. I want to be in time. To be on. An interesting movie is on. Hey, what are you watching? What's on? To be sure of. I am sure of his coming to my party. He promised me to come. To be late. We also say to be late for. I was late for my work. And my boss was very angry. To be in time for. I was in time for my lesson. To be angry. We also say to be angry with. I was very angry with my sister. She took my bag instead of hers. Instead of this expression, we can also say to be furious, to be annoyed, to be cross. She was very furious with the children. She couldn't work in the noise. To be proud of. I am very proud of you. You achieved success. You could overcome all your difficulties. To be engaged. She's engaged. She's going to marry next week. To be interested in. I am interested in music. I like to listen to music. To be afraid of. I am afraid of animals. We can also say to be frightened of, to be scared of. I am scared of her. To be busy with. I am busy with my work. I can't talk to you now. To be ready for. Are you ready for your exam? Yes, I am ready and I have prepared well. To be tired of. I was tired of my work. It was very difficult. We can also say to be exhausted. I was exhausted as I worked a lot. To be in a good temper or to be in a bad temper. She's in a good temper as she has won a prize. I am very happy when I make a video for you. Make sure that you have watched my previous videos. Keep on learning English with me. See you next time.